Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today we're going to be making Hawaiian crockpot chicken. This is a really easy and fast meal to make. It's really great for those days when you're really busy and you don't have a lot of time to make up a whole meal. And you only need a few simple ingredients, and you throw it in the crockpot, and it's done in 6 to 8 hours. First, I want to let you know that my cookbook's available on Amazon, and I provided a quick link in the description below this video. So here I'm going to use some chicken breasts, and it's about 4 of them, which will equal about 2 pounds, and I sliced them into about 1-inch chunks, and this should make up about 4 cups of these. And place the chicken pieces in the crockpot. Turn the crockpot on low, and we'll go ahead and get ready for the rest of the ingredients. Add 3/4 of a cup of pineapple juice. Now add a generous cup of brown sugar. Then measure and add 2/3 of a cup of soy sauce. Open a can of pineapple tidbits. Add about 3/4 of a cup of that as well. Use a large spoon and give it a good stir. Place the lid on it and leave it on low for 6 to 8 hours. Alright, when it's time to have supper, it's what are we going to have on the side with this? So what I did is I boiled up some corn on the cob and I added a little bit of jalapeno peppers, and there we go. And I fried that with lots of butter and a little bit of salt. I like to serve it with a little bit of rice, so I cooked up some basmati rice, put a little bit of peas and carrots in it as well, and this will make a good bed to serve our Hawaiian chicken on. Now this is after about 7 hours and the chicken is fall apart tender. I'll serve that with fried jalapeno corn, and it'll give it a little bit of a bite. It'll be a nice compliment. Now this is a really quick and easy meal and very delicious, so I hope you enjoy the recipe. Go ahead and make it. And if you're looking for a great book to read, here's a great gift idea. It's science fiction and action-packed. It captures your attention right from the very beginning. Very hard book to put down. So go ahead and get your copy. Thanks so much for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. And until next time, happy eating!